Sorry, that's what I like it, but it's not related to this subject. The collapse of ANGKOR. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of this channel. Today we will be talking about the collapse of ANGKOR. So, how will we get started? What is the collapse of ANGKOR? Well, the collapse of ANGKOR is really important to us. When the discoverer of ANGKOR found out about the ANGKOR's destruction, he was fascinated and drew pictures of the city itself. Then eventually a lot of people became interested into the ANGKOR city, which was nicknamed the City in the Jungle, where they saw a lot of things. But then archaeologists came along and started trying to find out archaeological evidence. They've been able to dig up a few things, but then these few things were really useless, like a few artifacts and stuff, a few ancient Mayan coins. And then eventually they found out a few prescriptions on the walls, a few metal stuff, I might say. And these metal stuff were really cool. But the problem was that these metal stuff that was inscribed on there. Wait a minute, I need a magnifying glass. Yeah, this might be good. And then, on the inscriptions, however, it didn't say how they collapsed. They didn't have any written record of how the ANGKORians collapsed. No one knows. So, how did it collapse then? Well, that's the problem. We don't know. No one knows how they collapsed. That's the problem of everyday objects. But ANGKOR is one of the most mysterious things ever. It's not like as mysterious as the multiverse too was, and as mysterious as the black holes, but it's still a pretty big mystery. If all the mysteries can be put on a pie chart, I'd say that ANGKOR would be about 30% of the mystery pie chart. So then, how did ANGKOR disappear then? That's the problem. No one knows. But here are a few guesses. Some people think that other invaders on other lands came to the ANGKORians and then attacked it and looted all the city. And as they said on those tablets on the walls, that they had lots and 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 lots. And lots and lots and lots. 1,000 years later, and lots of gold. I'm sorry, Dad. And they were looted a lot. Because gold was looted. That's one of the reasons. The others believe that they had to flee. Because of an irrigation problem, which made the rice harvest go bonanza, and they had to go all the way because there was a flood happening because of the canals and dams, and it broke. So we might never know how ANGKOR might have disappeared and how it became relatively out of the world. And yeah, so even if we might not know how ANGKOR might have never disappeared and why there are lion statues here, we still have really good sculpture pictures of the Mayans that they left behind. Even though we might never know the answer to our question, we still a lot to know. We have a lot to know more about the topic. So this is the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And click either of these two videos so you'll watch your time, and I'll see you in the next episode. Shinhan out.